something over there.
Okay, adventure of the lost question mark. Go to work. Go to work. What is it, Gracie? Grace. Watch this amazing trick. Grace, give me it. Give it to me.
Yeah. There it is.
Where?
What is that?
A snake.
Oh.
Snake wrangler. That's her snake bark. Look at it. Holy fuck.
Hi there, little snakey.
Insert damsel scream here.
Mom.
I'm not getting a picture of it. It's called a video. We live in a modern age of video.
It's so cute.
Big hunky man.
Katie, let's name it Fluffy.
Look at its tongue. Ew, Katie. Good girl, Grace.
It's not a bad snake.
She's like, I'll eat it. No, don't give it to her.
Don't let her eat it.
Good girl, Gracie, come here.
Grace, put your toys away.
Look at that snake. Look at that damn snake.
I'm not a snake.